Have you tried advertising on Facebook? I know we speak to a lot of people that say, I've tried Facebook advertising and it just does not work for my business. Or my audience isn't on Facebook. And I know it can feel like you're trying new things, putting in the hard work, not seeing results. But the reality is you just haven't been shown how to make it work for you. And you haven't been shown by the right people with the right experience. So stick with us and we're going to show you the difference between Boost Posts and Ad Manager. Stick with us, we're going to show you the difference. Have you tried Boost Posts or Facebook advertising? We would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. So, what are the benefits of Boost Posts, you ask?
Well, the thing that Boost Post does is it makes it very easy, because a Boost Post is all about taking a post you've already created on your Facebook page. You've got some engagement, usually you've got a good idea of whether there's good engagement and whether people like that content or not. So if people like it, then it's definitely worth boosting it. So what you can do with Boost Posts is it basically expands your reach out to a new audience, to expand on either on the people who are similar to the people who like your page, friends of people who like your page, or the people who like your page. You can also specify some demographics like interests and genders and things like that of people that you want to deal with. So that's really good to invite people to get more eyeballs on there. But the thing that is different between the Boost Posts and the Ad Manager is you've got multiple types of ads and different campaigns with different objectives in the Ad Manager. So really, the Boost Post is one type of objective in the Ad Manager. The other thing I like about Boost Posts is it's very good for doing things like asking people to message you. So you can have a Boost Post, you get it out to this new audience, but you can also have a button that says, click here and send us a message. And that can be a great way to create more interaction with people. Another side might be to use Boost Posts to boost an event that you've created. So again, you're looking for generalized audiences, and that's really good. But the real power of the Ad Manager is that you can start to get down to a much more clever way of working out the right people to see your posts. It's not just about getting a group of people with general interests and things who are similar. It's about optimizing your ads. And there are particular types of Facebook ads that let you do that really well.
And with Facebook Ad Manager, another thing that people often say when they don't really think their ads are working, they don't understand how to read Ad Manager. There's a lot in there, and when you're starting to learn, things are changing all the time in Facebook. So the thing is, if you want real gold, if you want to get the rubber that hits the road, then you definitely want to be using Ad Manager.
The other thing you can do with Ad Manager, which I really like, is you can do things like do a video views campaign, which gets your videos viewed by more people. So it's more eyeballs on your video, and it's about getting people to watch for a certain length of time. So if your video itself is a marketing tool that you really want people to see, and you know by them seeing it, they're going to interact with it more or go to your landing page or whatever you've got, then the video views ad can be really good.
And the video views too, when you can see how much percentage of your audience has been watching that ad, you can then do a remarketing campaign to those particular people that have just watched, say, 50 or 70% of your video. So that is so good because it means that you can really target those people that are watching 50 to 70% of your video and sending them another video that they like. So can you see how powerful this is when you know how to use it?
Absolutely, it's so true. The other thing that I really love about Facebook Ad Manager is you can use the pixel. Now the pixel is like a cookie. You know, a cookie from a website, you go to websites and they say, will you allow cookies? A cookie tracks where you go. Not a biscuit, that's right. Although when I teach this in the training, actually it looks like a biscuit the way I do it, like a chocolate chip cookie. So, yum. And the thing about it is that when you use that pixel, you can really start to optimize things. So one of the things you can do is you can have ads that go to a landing page, and when people have opted in or bought something, you can track those people. And what happens is the people who actually do that behavior, they actually opt in or they buy from you, the Facebook system behind that will actually look for people in your demographic who are more similar to the people who did that behavior. So for example, if you are having an opt-in for, a free PDF, a lead magnet, right? And that's a classic bit of marketing and a marketing funnel. That's the most basic funnels we start with people. Then people opt in for that. They then, like to say Rachel does it, then what it does is it says, okay, Rachel's opted in out of my demographic I've chosen, but who is similar in behaviors and interests to Rachel? Maybe they're better to show the ad to instead of the other person who has totally different interests to Rachel. The next person then opts in. We now have 2 people who we can learn from. And then there's another person, and it optimizes. And really, your whole ad spend goes down instead of just scattergunning instead of a scattergun approach.
Which is boosts.
Yeah, that's right. Instead of the scattergun approach of just following interests and demographics, you're actually now learning. It's artificial intelligence. And it's very, very, very clever the way the algorithm works.
As you've seen, there is so much you can do with Facebook advertising. Isn't it amazing? Although there is one reason why this won't work for you. Watch this video to see the secret of video marketing for beginners, and this video will change the way that you see your business. If you want to learn how to set up your own Facebook ads and really understand the analytics, we can help you in our mentoring and coaching program. We teach you how to market your own business so you understand it and can do it yourself, or direct somebody else to do it for you properly. So if you're ready to take control of your marketing, let's talk. Book in with us using. See you soon.